Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You already have the manuscript. Now act. First, match your paper type to journals that publish similar work because relevance drives acceptance. Once done, extract 3 to 5 recent citations from your reference list and note where they appeared. Those journals are prime candidates. Next, make a short list of 5 targets using aims, median decision time, and open access rules. This gives you realistic options and prevents wasting time on mismatched venues. Now dig deeper to choose the best match. Evaluate each journal's review speed and acceptance percentage because timing matters for grants and careers. Also, scan the editorial board for editors whose interests overlap with yours. Editors influence fit. Make sure to read author guidelines line by line. Formatting mismatches cause delays. Then estimate any article processing charges and factor that into your decision. Once you verify these details, rank your shortlist from realistic to stretch targets. You're ready to submit. Do it carefully. Upload the formatted files, write a concise cover letter highlighting novelty and fit, and propose 3 qualified reviewers with emails. After submission, monitor the editorial system and respond to reviewer comments promptly. Clarify changes with page and line references. If a desk rejection occurs, don't panic. Revise your framing to better match the next journal, tweak the cover letter to emphasize different strengths, and resubmit quickly. That single change often turns outcomes around.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.